In this video, we're going to learn how to tell the bones of the body, left and right, and where they belong. And the first thing you have to do when talking about bones is you do have to have some idea of where in the body that bone is located. For example, if I'm going to teach you about the humerus, you do have to know that the humerus is the only bone in the arm, and then the radius and ulna in the forearm, and the bones of the hand. So what we will do is we will do a quick overview of where the bones are in the various regions of the body, and then we will do separate videos of how to tell the separate features of the individual bones and whether the bone is taken from the left side of the body or the right side of the body. Now, one of the things you have to remember about bones is bones function as levers, and they are moved by muscles. And those muscles leave markings, impressions, and lumps or tubercles on the bones. So if you look at a bone and you see a lump or another lump, those lumps were drawn out while the bone was forming by the actions of the muscles. If there's a groove, it implies that something was laying on the bone. So if we look at this other skeleton on this side, we see just the normal skeleton with some articulations involved. But on the left of this skeleton, we see red and blue markings. The red markings are markings where muscles have their origin. The blue markings are markings where various muscles have their insertions. And if you look carefully on this bone, you will see that there is either a groove or a raised area wherever those things occur. So you can use those to your advantage to figure out where the muscles were attaching when you get to the muscular system. Now, the muscular system, as I said before, works with the bones as a lever system, so it is often taught together as the musculoskeletal system. However, the actual focus of these videos will be to learn the individual features of the individual bones on these models.